I love going warm places when it's cold here in Connecticut, especially Arizona, because we have a lot of family there too. I garden wherever I go. Been doing it all my life. A little bit about our channel. I've been on Earth for 8 generations. We've been cooking, planting, gardening, quilting, doing the arts all of my life. So I'm outside in the kitchen garden, as Tina would call it. There are radishes all the way in the back, all the way back there, and then carrots on both sides of the left and the right, garlic, celery in the front, and onions. Then we slowly, so you don't spit up. There's my truck. I drove it across country. And there's garlic all in the middle of this 100-gallon bed. And so far we have ginger and lemon balm and sage. Working on the rest. Oh, there's my truck. Haha, again. So I spent a great month out in Arizona, but Mommy was waiting at home and I wanted to spend Christmas with the East Coast family. So off I went. Leaving the 80s back to Connecticut, brr. Mommy was so happy Christmas Day when I walked in the door. I hadn't seen her for a month and a half. This was Christmas brunch. Oh, we eat like kings and queens. I brought the steak and crab cake home to cook. New Year's Day dinner. My granddaughter cooked this. Then Joanne was taking care of the garden back in Arizona. Look what a great job she did, everybody. The garlic is up, everything is up, everything is lush. Oh my goodness. Sorry I left you, Sissie, to do all the work. I don't have to do anything. The maintenance men are shoveling the snow outside here. Everything is nice in Arizona. Look, everybody, garlic, carrots, beets, onions. Oh my goodness, everything. Sissie's doing such a great job. Go, Sissie. Look at the rosemary out front. It's going to smell so good going in the front door. Uh-oh, I left too soon. Look how beautiful the sunsets are. I'll be back coming soon. Peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.